So excuse my hair, but we're gonna go put these shades over my lights, man, because that's the only thing throwing off this all black theme on my car. Just throwing it off. So I'm about to go ahead and show you a little bit of the process that I gotta do, because I gotta take off the whole front bumper. Take off the whole front bumpers. There's 3 screws that hold in the light. Take those boys off real quick and show you me applying it. I already got the car pre-set up already. I got the car covered because the dang rain keep getting into my car and I don't know how to stop it yet. So until then, it's going up. This is leaving soon. Just watch. Your radiator cover, it's up over here. They're holding in by a couple of push pins. Well, not push pins, but pushers. I don't know the correct name. But to take that off, and then you're gonna have to unscrew these 2 at the corner, both sides. Please excuse my ring up, but that's for my hand, like it's kind of sloped. But then you should have another one under your driver's side fender, and then you can go around to the driver's side. I mean the passenger. You're on the driver's side. There's another one right up under your wheel, bro. Almost like you're gonna have to turn my wheels because these boys are too fat. Okay, man. So after looking on YouTube, they said that there's 2 bolts, but my bumper had 3 bolts. So I'm not sure if it's aftermarket or whatever, but check to see if you have 3 bolts on each side. Cause I'm over here, motherfucking pulling on it. Like, how come it's not coming off and it's 3 bolts? So make sure you check to see if you have 3 or 2 bolts before you go and pulling it off. But when you pull it off, there should be a bolt for your headlight right here, one up top. Take those off, and then you're able to do what you need to do, man. So after you're done, full bumper off, make sure you unplug your turning signal lights before removing your bumper. And then you squeeze these 2 tabs for your turning signal bumper, and you slide them, and they come right off. And you do prior side, and then boom, there you go, folks. So now I'm about to go inside, go ahead and clean these up, and start applying this tint. All right. So after you get them nice and clean, get them prepped on both sides, you know, you're gonna want to apply. Get them all nice and clean. Now you're ready to put the tint on. Have it, folks. It's kind of light outside today, though. Here we go. Let's cover it back up before it starts raining.